Hey, this is Brad with WTI, and in the kitchen, I love things that have more than one function. And that's where this 17 by 13 inch cutting board from THETCHRY comes in really handy. What I really like about it is that on one side of the cutting board, it's just a straight up cutting board. It has these nice little rubber feet that keeps it sunk to the counter, but you can also use it as a serving tray for charcuterie. It's got these nice little cutouts. It's a nice walnut wood, multi-grained. It has a really cool look to it. Another thing that we like about it too is these little cutout handles on the side. So when you go to pick it up off of a flat counter, you don't have to slide it around to try to reach under it to carry something. Something we also like about it is that it's coated in beeswax, which it comes with, which helps seal it. It helps you not worry about whether things are staying in the wood. That's what we liked about this 17 by 13 inch cutting board from THETCHRY. We're sure you'll love it just as much as we do. And that's my point of view.